Good day everyone! DM Sam's Properties by Ralph San Jose. So in this episode, andito tayo ngayon sa Cebu. So, we're on the way sa site ng Calleja Heights, located sa Good Shepherd Road, Banawa, Guadalupe, Cebu. So, nakastay kasi ako sa Summit, Robinson Summit. Going to Calleja Heights, it's 6.8 kilometers. So, around 20 minutes yung travel time natin. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa may C. Salvador, going to Salvador Extension. So, from here, 7 minutes, 2.3 kilometers away. So, by the way, itong Calleja Heights, this is the biggest open space in Cebu in a residential condo setting. So, meron siyang 3.6 hectares in total lot size. Then, meron siyang 1.5 hectares na open space sa roof decks. So, malaking property to and maraming open space. So, marami kang magiging views dito when you see when you go to the actual site. May view ka ng CCLEX, ng city, and also ng mountains. So, isa sa mga landmarks na makikita nyo dito is itong Paseo Arcenas. Meron dyan McDonald's. From here, 1.2 kilometers away na lang. 4 minutes drive. Meron din M. Lulier. Yan, may mga establishments malapit. Meron ding marketplace, True Value. So, we will make a left turn doon sa C. Filoteo. So, medyo malapit na tayo. So, meron kayong makikitang Julie's Bake Shop. We'll make a left turn. Paakyat yung site natin. From here, 800 meters away. So, nandito tayo sa Good Shepherd Road. And, ayun, yung site natin. Yung merong blue na bakod. So, meron residential dito. Residential areas like yung Kenwood Homes, Villa Salud. Katabi siya ng Villa Salud. So, this is our site, Calleja Heights. So, it's a high-rise residential building. So, yeah, tama. Kitang-kita mo nga yung buong Cebu dito kapag nasa top floor ka. So, nasa tapat siya ng Banawa Heights, Apple One. So, this is our project, guys. Ang laki ng site natin. Ang haba. Ayun, no? Kita mo yung project. Ang laki na, guys. dulo siya. So hanggang dito sa dulo na street. O hindi, may packet pa. Hanggang dito lang. So ang maganda dito sa Calleja Heights, since nasa mataas na part tayo ng Guadalupe, if your unit is facing here, facing the road, meron kang view ng Cebu City, yung skyline, mga buildings. Yan. So pababa tayo, I'll show you kung gaano kalaki yung property natin. Malaki talaga yung project, guys. So pababa tayo ng site. So yung makikita nyo, merong blue na bakod. Yan, yun yung start ng property natin. So from here, start na ng property natin. And from here, kita mo yung CCLEX dyan. Kita mo yung dagat, kita mo yung CCLEX. So may view ka ng CCLEX ng dagat. Yan, so ang haba niya, guys. So, yan, meron ditong part. Yan, makikita mo dito, makikita nyo dito. Yan. Malaking project, a lot of greeneries. May view ka rin ng bundok. Ayan, ang haba. Parang almost 1 kilometer or more than 1 kilometer yung haba niya. So hanggang dun yung project natin. Yan, hanggang dito. Very excited ako pag natapos ng project na to kasi for sure this development will be an upgrade, maraming amenities, building features, top-notch yung mga finishes na gagamitin. And syempre, this is our first project in Cebu, ng DMCI Homes. So pag nagawa to, I'm very excited and gusto ko siya makita. We will visit here again. So right now, andito tayo sa DMCI Homes showroom. So we have a 2-bedroom model unit here, and also we have a scale model of our project. So first, we have our Calleja Heights scale model over here. So this is our scale model for Calleja Heights. So we have one building, a total of 4 high-rise building, but yung first building pa lang yung up for sale, so which is the Leia building. So this is the Leia building. So as you can see, this is our access road, the main road, and this will be our entrance gate drop-off area and entrance going to the basement levels. So all of our basement levels are all connected. So we have a lot of open space in this project. Okay, a total of 3.6 hectares property, and we also have 1.5 hectares of open space located at the roof deck area. Yeah. So as you can see, we have swimming pools, we have open lawn, we have gazebos, and on this side we have indoor basketball court, we have outdoor basketball court, we have tennis court, and on this other side meron tayong open lawn, another big open space facing the basketball court. We have swimming pools on the other side as well, and you have gazebos, tables and chairs surrounding the properties. So very big yung property natin. So, and as you can see here, andito naman yung mga finishes natin. So for this one, meron tayong finishes for our common toilet and bath, floor and wall tile. This one, 60 cm by 60 cm. And for this one naman, meron tayong accent tile for the common toilet and bath. Valencia Nero ang tawag sa kanya. And this one naman, this will be our living, dining, and kitchen floor tile. 60 by 60 cm as well. And this one, meron tayong balcony. Ito yung finishes natin sa balcony for our accent ceramic floor tile. Meron tayong Dansalan Ivory for the common toilet and bath floor and wall tile. And this one naman, ceramic tile floor tayo sa balcony. Yan. Standard finishes, vinyl flooring, butternut oak, kitchen granite countertops, toilet and bath countertops. Yan. And this one naman, upgrade finishes natin. So we have vinyl flooring, rustic oak cream for the mosaic tiles. And meron tayong German white for the kitchen and toilet and bath granite countertop. So let's proceed naman sa model unit natin. So andito tayo ngayon sa model unit. So this is a 2-bedroom standard inner unit. So we have a 60 square meter 2-bedroom model unit. This is very standard cut ng DMCI Homes. In every project, meron tayong ganitong unit layout. So in Calais Heights, we also have this unit layout. Let's go in. So once you enter the door, you have your living, dining area. And then this one is your kitchen. So maganda sa kitchen, nakatago siya. So you have your area ng kitchen over here. So ito yung natin, yung upgrade finishes. So we have kitchen cabinets, very Filipino yung design. We have granite countertop. Naka-wall tile na rin yung finish natin. So we have our sink, kitchen cabinets. We have our provision for the range hood. Meron tayong lutuan. And meron tayong counter bar over here, facing the window. We have windows facing the kitchen and the dining area. And this will be our ref. So standard ref, standard size, kasya siya. You have your mirror, accent mirror here para mas maganda yung design. So this model unit, guys, is syempre fully furnished siya and naka-interior design para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano nyo i-design yung unit nyo once na turnover na. Kasi basic turnover finishes lang tayo. So this interior design, I think this is a Filipino-inspired design because of the, meron tayong parang, ano man tawag dito sa ganitong wooden finish. And also dito sa kitchen cabinets natin. Yan. Then this will be our living area. So dito sa living area natin, dining area, we have our mirror. Ito kasi very standard to kapag pa-design ka ng unit. Lagi nang nilalagyan ng mirror yan para mas magmukhang malaki yung unit ninyo. Yan. So it's a full-size mirror sa wall. This will be our living area. Our TV is naka-wall mount. Yan. And this one naman is our toilet and bath. So we have upgraded finish for the wall, accent tile. Meron tayong shower enclosure. We have our granite countertop sink. And meron din tayong cabinets sa toilet and bath and shelves. And dito naman, we have our provision for our washing machine. Na pwede rin gawin extra storage. Pwede mo kang lagyan ng multiple shelves. Yan. So, air conditioning, all split type, na tayo, provision. So, let's go first sa bedroom number 2. So, as you can see, naka-sliding door tayo sa bedroom number 2. This is not your typical door. Para mas maganda yung pasok ng lighting and ventilation nyo. You can open the window here kasi we have larger windows na dito sa bedroom. Then, through and through na yung pasok ng natural light and natural air. Yan. So, again, you have a facing of mountains. Kasi dito sa Calleja Heights, magandang view mo. Even though you're in the middle floor, higher floor lalo, you have a view of the whole Cebu City. Cebu City, depending on which located yung unit ninyo. You have a view of CCLEX, may view kayo ng dagat, you have a view of the Cebu City, you have the view of the mountains. Yan. So, ito, just for reference, you have a view of the mountains. Yan. Then, for our bedroom number 2, decent size na tayo. We have our cabinets, sliding doors, and we have our single bed over here. I like the idea na sliding door na tayo. If you want some privacy, you can close it naman, yung curtain. Pero I like this idea. Kasi nakakatipid siya sa kuryente at the same time yung lights, electricity, yung aircon. Buksan mo lang yung screen door. Then you have your window sa may dining area, living area. So, ano siya, sobrang aliwalas ng feeling. Yan. Now, let's proceed naman sa master's bedroom natin. So, we have our master's bedroom, queen size bed. We have our cabinets, sliding door, and we have our vanity area over here. Yan, naka-wall mount din yung TV natin. So, you still have room for space kapag duman ka. So, na-maximize natin yung space. Yan. And this will be our balcony door. So, larger balcony doors na rin tayo para mas maganda yung pasok ng lighting, ventilation natin. Yan. So, floor to ceiling yung height ng balcony door. And then, naka-wall mount din yung TV natin. And we have our storage pa dito. So, you still have a room to walk. Yan, naka-storage. Na-maximize natin yung model unit, yung bedroom. And we have our access going to the balcony. So, larger balcony door na rin tayo dito. So, it's a full size, floor to ceiling yung size ng ating balcony door. Yan. Yan. Very decent size for a 2-bedroom unit. 60 square meter, 52 square meter livable, 8 square meter for the balcony. Yan. So, let's take another look from the bedroom going to the living area, dining, and kitchen. So that's it for today, guys. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung project tour natin. Nag-visit tayo sa site. And also dito sa sales office dito sa Cebu. We have a model unit here. And at least nakita niyo rin yung mga finishings and yung scale model natin. So we offer studio units, 1-bedroom units, 2-bedroom units, and 3-bedroom units dito sa Calleja Heights. And we have fantastic payment terms, promo discounts ongoing. You can own your unit here as low as 14,000 per month. Okay? So, 0% interest yan. Tapos naka-stretch pa yung down payment. So, maganda yung deal natin ngayon sa project na to. So, of course, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa akin channel para updated kayo sa latest development ni DMC Homes. Also, follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page. If you have any questions, concerns, feel free to contact me. So once again, this is Ralph Fonaseo of DMC Homes Properties. Thank you and keep safe.